Hi viewers, this is Umarani Purushothaman welcoming you all to the story page in English. Today I am going to talk to you about a story regarding challenges in life. Challenges we all will have in our life. It's about a fisherman and a freezer box, fish tanker and then another fish tanker. Okay, so one shark will be there in this second fish tanker. I will tell you the story now. As you all know, Japanese, they are very fond of fish. That also fresh fish they want to have. But it so happens that the fishermen will not get fish in, have to go deep into the sea. Then only they will get fish. So obviously, when they go deep into the fish and then they come back, the fish will not be fresh. Oh, so people will not like to buy. So they were incurring heavy loss. These fishermen. So they thought, okay, this challenge we have to take it up and see something has to be done. Then second time what they will do is they will take one freezer box with them. So they will keep the fish inside the freezer box and then they will bring it. So this time, again they didn't like it because it will be frozen. No, the fish will be frozen. So they will not like again. Again, the fisherman will think that creativity should be there. Is it not? Only then we can succeed anywhere. And then after that what they do is they will take one water tanker, like with that tanker they will leave it inside the boat and leave the fish inside. So this time also the fish will be moving, it will be very happily moving, but after some time because deep into the sea they are going and coming, then it becomes very tired. So by the time it becomes tired and then it will not be fresh again. So this time also little sales only they were able to do. Again they will think what we can do. Then third time what decision they will do is they will take that fish tank and put one shark inside that tank, and along with that shark other fishes whatever they fetch that also they will leave. These fishes, because that shark is a different type of fish, they were so scared. So they have to meet the challenge, to survive. So they will be moving fast and till the end of the journey they will be keeping on moving and the fish will be very fresh and they were able to sell and get lot of profit. And why I am telling this is like this, many of us like these fishes, we are becoming very tired in our life. So, we lose the interest and always, we will be worrying. But like this fish, a shark fish, if you get a challenge in your life, then, you want to compete with them and then you keep moving. So, children, I am telling, you will always have some challenges like this shark fish in your life. If you want to overcome that, you also have to work hard. If you work hard and if you are very, smart enough to overcome such sharks in your life, definitely you will win one day in your life. Wishing you all the best. I'll meet you again with another story tomorrow. Thank you.